Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into the Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, first of all, grab your SIM ejecting tool. It comes with the box, right? Or you can just use whatever you have. Grab your SIM card. Now, at the bottom of your phone, near the charging port, right, find your SIM tray. Grab your SIM ejecting tool. Insert the tool into the hole and give it a nice hold, right? Don't put too much pressure. You can break it, so it's kind of fragile. Adjust your power. Now let's take out our SIM tray. Here it is. So, in order to enter your SIM card, simply grab your SIM card. It's only one place for one SIM. Put it into your SIM tray. Make sure that the contacts are facing top. Alright. Now eject it into your phone. Just like this. Until you'll hear this little click. Okay? So now let's unlock our phone. And let's check if our phone has detected the SIM. So as we see, our phone has detected our SIM card. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.